Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my June 2023 Ipsy Glam Bag unbagging. This feels very light this month, so I hope it's going to be a good bag. I did already get my BoxyCharm Plus Boost box for the month, and that's up here on my YouTube channel if you haven't seen it yet. However, I wasn't super happy with the box this month. It was very skincare heavy, which is not my preference, so I'm hoping for better luck, better products that are more suited to me in the glam bag here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing here. And if you like beauty subscription unboxings, then you are in the right place because I unbox all of my Ipsy and the BoxyCharm subscriptions every month here. So I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. And so let's see. Oh, I did get the pink bag. It's cute. It feels like nice, like summery style. It says love on the zipper handle. I like the texture of it. It's a cool bag. And then this is the same card that I got in my BoxyCharm box. No product information here. But yeah, very light. I hope these are not all super tiny products. You're supposed to get $50 plus of value in your Ipsy Glam bag. So let's see what I got. Ooh, the first product I pulled out is Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Natural Matte Tinted Moisturizer in the shade Vanilla 2. You know what? Ooh, okay. So I just reached back into my collection to pull out one of my favorite products, the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream. So here I have the natural matte version. So I'm excited to try this out because I love the hydrating gel cream version. And the shade Vanilla 2, which is what I have here and what I got in Ipsy, is a perfect shade match for me. So yay, this is actually a great first product for me to pull out, even though, like, look at the difference in size, the full size versus the sample that I got. But this is exactly the type of product I want to get in Ipsy. A brand that I like, Bare Minerals, a type of product that I like, which is a complexion foundation type product. So this actually is hitting all of the boxes. It's in the right shade for me. So yes, a very great first product for me to pull out. Next, oh, this is fun. Interesting packaging. See, like a three-eyed smiley face. This is from Lovecraft Beauty. I have gotten some products from this brand in Ipsy before. Eyeshadow Trio. Some interesting shade choices here, but this matte cream colored shade is actually a great go-to shade. I love to use this just as a base on my for eyeshadows on top of an eyeshadow primer, so that's great. A fun blue and then a dark matte brown, it looks like. So I often try out makeup products on my channel in full dedicated review videos, so I'm gonna plan on doing that with the makeup products I get in this glam bag rather than swatching them and trying them out in this video. But if you would be more interested in a try-on unboxing video, just let me know in the comments down below. But that second product is actually another great one because I love trying out eyeshadows. Let's see what's next. Ooh! Normally I'm not too happy to get an eyeliner, but this looks great. It's not a black eyeliner. This I got in the shade Sky and Emerald. And let's see, the brand is Formula Z Happy Stick Dual-Ended Eyeliner. I love a two-in-one type of product, and these look like really pretty colors. They look like they might be metallic, full-size product here. So I'm happy with this one too. Wow, are we on a roll or what? Oh my gosh, I jinxed it. I just pulled out a single brush, and not even in a shape of brush that I feel like I even want. It says Wing Me 3, so I'm thinking Wing Me is the brand. I've never heard of it before, but I do not like getting brushes at all, especially just a single brush like this. Like, this is such a interesting shape. It's not like a crease shape. It's kind of big for packing on shadow. So this one is a dud to me. Not too happy about this. I feel like I've also never told Ipsy that I want to receive brushes. I've always put on do not want to receive in my feedback, my reviews, my quiz. So that's a frustrating product to see. And then the final product in here, this is from the brand Ditto, I think. Ice Cream Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lucky. Okay, this is cute. I like the packaging on this, and it looks like a pretty color as well. So glad that this is a makeup product that I'm ending on, and I do love trying out liquid lipsticks. So just that one dud of a product, the rest of the products I am happy with. So overall, this is a pretty good glam bag. I'll do a quick recap, but let me know in the comments down below if you've tried any of these products. I'd love to hear your thoughts on them, and let me know what you got in your Ipsy Glam bag this month and if you're happy with it or not. But okay, so I got the Lovecraft Beauty eyeshadow trio. Oh, and this is in the shade called Rave and Roll. I got the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue, the Formula Z dual-ended liner, the Ditto liquid lipstick, and the Wing Me brush. Does it seem like I have $50 worth of value here? I think absolutely not. So in that sense, it's not great, but compared to other Ipsy Glam bags I've gotten before and how relevant I would say these products are to my preferences, it's decent. But so, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.